We've spent the last 5 years working with teens, young adults, and their families here in our community, and we have seen time after time that teens struggle to be engaged in their educational environments. They want to be challenged more, and parents really want better solutions for their young people.
And that's why we built Hi-Lite Academy, where life, leadership, and real-world skills come first.
So as a young person, I greatly struggled with decision-making, clarity, like where am I going to go in life? How am I going to get there? What's the plan? Who can help me with the plan? And I really had to figure a lot of that out for myself. Then I spent 20 years in the corporate space, and I saw so many young people also struggling with the similar things that I'd struggled with. And over the last several years, we've helped hundreds of young people really lock in and develop clarity, direction, and a plan to move forward with their lives. Imagine a school that helps young people do this every day through real life application, through things that actually matter and are going to impact their future. That is what Hi-Lite Academy is going to provide for your young person.
As a business coach and mentor, I have seen personally the incredible transformation in my clients when they were given the tools and resources and also provided with a space that allows them to be creative and be themselves. Today, when you think about the current educational system, our teens are forced to fit into a specific mold. They are forced to study curriculum that has not been updated for a very long time. Inside our Hi-Lite Academy, that's the complete opposite that we provide for our teenagers. We have created a space where they can think freely, where they can be themselves, where they can pursue their passions and understand really how to connect the dots, how they can take the skills that we teach them, that they can learn, and apply them in the real world.
So now that you're ready to give your teen more, and I'm not just talking more homework, I'm talking more clarity, more confidence, more success, more happiness in life, Hi-Lite Academy is ready for you. So what are you going to do next? Check out the information below, get your name on the list because the spots are going to sell out. We can't wait to meet you soon.